Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child is telepathic control. You made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you heard about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You've got your charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down. I have our paperwork, number one. All clear over here.
I hate working nights. Nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
So fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we